not following us, and we gotta see if we can make it home again. Obnoxious. People are looking at me like I got issues. I just scared the shit out of one guy. Hey guys, you know how it took me a month to swap the engine into the Nova because I blew the old one up? Well, this one's fucking knocking again. Oh boy.
Holy f***ing shit.
I think it's fine.
Hands down, best one ever in the fucking
Alright, we'll make it home. Let's go. Okay, when do you guys start recording? Because, like,
I am.
hopefully I'll make another fucking YouTube video out of it.
No, don't go this way, Tom.
If you get pulled over, it's even funnier. Oh, there he is. Hey, officer.
Is he following you?
He's coming. Of course he's following. another one in the dust.
Oh my gosh. There might be a rod on the ground somewhere.
Where is she? Where's she dead?
Did a
All
burnout.
the way home after an insane burnout.
High
five. Literally a rod kept hanging out the side of the block. The exhaust pipe. Look how much the exhaust is smoking. I know I said like in the last video that it's bad to leave oil trails on the road, and I really didn't mean to this time, but it just happened, you know?
We're just repaving it for the county.
Well, that was a successful trip.
Yeah, there's a big puddle.
Me and the fellers, we did it. We made it back. We coasted into the driveway after throwing the rod a quarter mile away from the neighborhood.
Y'all see this shit? Y'all see this shit? That's a goddamn connected rod out of small block Chevy.
And I thought these things were strong. Like everyone's like, hey, small block, put small block Chevy in there. Shut up. Nah, small block Chevys suck. I got through 2 of them in like a month. I've had a lot of fun with this car. I've gotten in a little bit of trouble. I've done some burnouts. I've destroyed 2 engines. But all in all, I made some good memories with my friends, and I had a cool car that I cruised around for a couple months. It's time to let it go. As usual, hope you enjoyed the show. Keep watching. Keep subscribing. Don't be no nerd. Come on, it's like the best hot rodding channel in the freaking world, whatever.